When we put a question to somebody or to ourselves, what is the intention behind the question? Is it merely to find an answer, and the answer from somebody else? Or do we put the question to ourselves, and what is the response to the question which we have put to ourselves? As there have been written down questions handed over, apparently you are expecting naturally answers from the speaker. I'm afraid that will be not possible. We are going together explore the question. We are going together not seek an answer, but rather what the question itself means. And so in the very investigation of that question, we'll find the answer. We'll find the answer is in the question, not away from the question. Right? A question is an explosion. It's a challenge. And to meet a challenge, whether it is scientific, medical, or our own personal lives, one must approach it correctly. The approach, if we can go into the first, matters a great deal. How do we approach any problem? A problem, the meaning of that word, is something thrown at you. That's the root meaning of that word. Something pushed forward. And how do we meet it? What's our motive in looking at it, the question? What's our cause in inquiring into the question? Is it to find a comfortable answer, a satisfying answer, or to investigate the question so deeply and to inquire deeply, one cannot have a motive. A question, when you are looking at it, exploring it, opens its whole depth and significance. So could we, this morning and the next 2 mornings, in investigating the question, one must be clear whether we approach it with a motive or observe the question very carefully, so that the question itself begins to unfold. For most of us, we want to narrow down everything to a certain narrow point of view. For most of us, any problem which is related to all other problems, there's no single problem by itself, but we would like to reduce this problem to a narrow, limited inquiry. But in inquiry, you must let it flow, let it run, let it move. So that's what we can, I hope, together go into these questions. The speaker is not answering the questions, but rather together cooperating in the inquiry of the question. Right?